Hi, it's Tina from Ideas and Embellishment. It's Tina Gilbert. Right here. Anyway, I cut my finger and I don't know how. Isn't that crazy? So I saw this thing on Pinterest and I'm going to try it. So what I did, and because I'm going by the book that we're working in, and I'm working in, I made these, and I just guessed. So let's hope. This is scrapbook paper, and it's 4 by 5.5. There's 4 pieces of 4 by 5.5, and then there's 1 piece of 4 by 2.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little bitty, I want to make flip pockets. That's what I'm going to try to do anyway. So I'm going to a 1/2 inch from either side, and then let's say this is 5. So I need this to be 2.5. 2.5. My finger hurts. I don't know what I did. It's so weird. 1/2 inch from one side and 2.5 from the other side. I don't know if this is right. We'll see. Where's the 2.5? Right there. Okay. Let's see if this works. So then I'm going to fold this down, and what I want to do is all of these parts, I want to put a notch in here. So I think I want to use the one. It looks like it fits right there and perfect, and I'm going to go down. I think this is what I want. I think to be kind of the same, maybe not exactly the same, but kind of the same. I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm trying to get over this cold, and I think my puppy might be sick. I don't know. She's not doing any better. I may have to take her to the vet. She's just, and they are the dogs, because they, honestly, I will be glad when the dogs have gone on to their place. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to do 2 sides on each one. Can you see that? Hopefully. This is, and I'll probably put some like that. Maybe I should do that to all of them so that it's not too white right there. It's fine, it's fine. This is an easy one. And we'll go, I'm gonna make sure these are closed like this. Oh, Lord. I hope you guys can hear that. It's like, it's just, yeah, I will be so glad when that is gone. Too many dogs. Not too many dogs, but too many dogs. My, in a week and a half, the dogs will be gone. The children will be going to live with their mother. And so the dogs will be also. So that's 2. See what I'm doing? I'm just folding them down like that. And then for some reason, this one didn't want to, I want it to be even. I'll just adjust it a little bit because I want it to be even with that edge. It should have been, but you know, sometimes the best laid plans don't go as we think. So I'm going to, all of these, so I did see this on Pinterest. Just, you know, one of those quick videos that go by really fast, and I thought I want to do that. So I want to do that. Okay, so we have this, and we go to our book. I'm leaving this here because I don't know. And I'm gonna take this and we'll put it at the top of the page like this. And I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna fold this up and I'm gonna put this at the top right there. And I may not have enough, I might have to do, but it's okay. Right there. I only did 4. This one right here. So that's only doing half the page, and then this one, I think I need one more. I think I want one more. So let me see if I can find that scrapbook paper. If I have any more of it. I thought I did. I do. So it was, let me go ahead, 4 inches wide. So this is how I made it. It's 2. Oh, it's already 4 inches wide. And then I did, I think I did 5.5. That'll be one more. So I'll get my thingy here. 1/2 inch. 2.5. Get this here. Make sure it's on the right side. This would be like this. Why did it do that? It's fine. I gotta fix it. For some reason, I didn't do it right. It's okay. Yes, we have a lot of changes coming in my home. Not sure how that's all going to work out, but we'll see. You know? Okay. And then I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, like that. And then I'm gonna make sure that's that. And then this one will go here. And I'm just gonna put, I just made another one to go on the bottom. I'm just gonna leave that the way it is. Light up so that doesn't get seen. So it looks like this. How fun. Okay, so now these, we need tags that are about, I'm gonna say 4 by, I'm gonna say 2 and a, probably 2 1/4 might work. Let's do one. Let's see, this is, it might not work. This one is 2 1/4. This is just something I made, so it's gonna have to be, I think, let's see, that one will go in. This one may not. Yeah, they go in like that. So 2 1/4 by 4. So we'll write that down. 2 1/4 by 4. Times 4. Then we'll set this aside, and what I want to do is I want to make a background. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of make a fun background for to make the tags out of. And I just kind of want it to be messy. So I'm going to get this. I also have these little pockets that I can put on the front if I want to. So I think I'm going to use some, just some distress inks. I wanted this to be kind of easy peasy. I also have some of these like powder things, right? These are powders. I think these are really kind of cool. And I'm just going to get messy. First, I'm going to make like, just spray. Different things like this. And this is watercolor paper. So it's really nice and thick. And I always have some of it. So, you know, because it's, you know, it's just fun. These little powder things, they are, this one's turquoise. And you just kind of sprinkle them around. They're very, very intense. This is purple. Sometimes. So, that one. And then this one. Then, I'm sorry about the dogs fussing. I'm gonna take some water. Look at that, it just, very, very intense. Maybe too much. Maybe. Let me get a paper towel. Blot up some of that. I'm not sure I'm liking that. That might be too much. Maybe not. I don't know. What do y'all think? I'm gonna get another paper towel. I didn't get all of that up. Ooh, what did I do? I screwed that up, didn't I? Let's see. Get this moving. There you go. That's better. It's getting some of that up. Like I said, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just experimenting. Just want... I like it though, I do. I'm using a lot of paper towels. Just see. Why not, man? Why not? Just play. Why not? Okay, so I have this here. And now what I think I want to do is put these up. I'm going to put some, I want to get some gold on here, but I think what I want to do, excuse me, is find me a stencil. I'm going to get me a stencil. I'll put this on here, and then I'm going to put some gold paint. Get a gold paint brush. Sorry for my head. But I want to kind of put some gold for that. See if that helps. If that, you're not going to really be able to see it right there yet. But this is fun. Did you ever just, like when you were a little kid, just played with finger paints? Just kind of did your own thing. That's brilliant. I know you can't really see it, but once we dry it, I think, oh wow, I think I need to dry this. Okay, I'm back. This is really dry. I don't know if you can see the gold. I don't know. Let me see if I can kind of, there it is. You see the gold? Kind of pretty. Okay, it looks kind of a mess, but I like it. I do. I'm going to take this here and so I can put that here. I really do think that's really, really pretty. So now what? Let's see. I'm going to see if I can find, how about, I think stamps, or maybe, I think maybe a stamp. Let me get I'm going to get a script stamp. I'm going to get this script stamp, and I'm going to get my big it's just I'm using this Stays On. I'm just gonna like, oh yeah, man, do this kind of, this is so pretty. I don't know, sometimes when you play, it just comes off really cool. Other times, you know, just kind of caking. I really think this is gonna be pretty. I like the stamp. I can't believe I hurt my finger. How in the world did I make my finger hurt? All right, I think I got that. Like, that looks really good. Let me use my, like to, okay. So, I'm gonna put that back. What else? We got gold, we got black, we got, oh, maybe I know. One more thing we need, my watercolors. Find them. And what we're gonna need is some, guessed it, black splatters. Okay, got some black splatters. And then maybe, do we want white splatters? This is a little bit of gesso. Right, I'm gonna dry this again and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is nice and dry. Very, very, very pretty. So I need to take these, and I said 2.25 times 4. So I'm gonna get my, and hopefully I have enough. I need to put that aside. I got all my stuff here. 2.25. 2.25. 2.25. 2.25. And this can be a scrap. Probably a lot of these can be scrap. Times 4. You know what, this side, I like this side better. Okay. Now I'm going to use my, if I can find it. Here it is. Or actually, I do have another one. I have this. I'm just going to use this one. I have this too that I use. Put this in here. Poor puppies. These are really, really pretty as they are, but I think I'll go around the edges here. So Leo, you know, the never-ending story of the baby bird who was learning. That's him, obviously. Oh, he said, you know, he doesn't really like me to hold him that much, but he's getting better. But then yesterday, my son came in here and held him, and he sat on his hand, as nice as you please, just sat on his hand. So I think he's just used to the energy of a man, I guess. But he was really nice to my son. These came out so pretty, y'all. This is like the easiest way to make a background. So now I need to figure out, I have the 4 of them here. Do I have 4 or do I need 5? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I do need one more. But, oh well, I'm not going to have another one. Well, what I could do, I have these little ones here. I could have cut the thing differently, I guess. What I could do is just put 2 of these together on a, you could make one. Let's do that. A fake one, so they'll all be the same. This on here, it won't be that much of a difference. think this one will go the best. Don't you kind of sound like a monkey? Okay, it's a little bit, but it's fine. You won't be able to tell little Vienna. It's a fake one. But hey, you know what? It works. Fake it till you make it. Or fake it till you make it. There. All right. And then I'm going to take a couple of these and make them into little ones. I'm going to use every single bit. I'm just going to call these little ones to put in the bottom pocket. Okay. We are just now just like this. Now, we have these. Now what shall we do with them? I'm thinking they may need a focal point. I have one of these left. So let me see. What kind of focal point do we have? I think maybe another like square or a circle. I'm thinking a circle. A white circle with something in the center. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one, I think. So let me see how much time I've got. 30 minutes. It's going to might be a little long, but let me see. I have some, let me get some mixed media paper. Or just, I don't know, maybe just, some mixed media paper. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. I have that, and I'm gonna go around the edges. I'll have to gotta let them out. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, I really like the purple. I'm gonna go ahead and glue one of these on the front of each one. Okay, so I have this stamp set, and I bought it from Joann's, Hobby Lobby. It was $1.99, so it was very inexpensive. And it's got, ow, I really hurt my finger. Y'all, do as I say, not as I do. I'll get me a little stamping block, and I'm just going to start stamping some of these little flowers on here. I think this would be really cool. Like, for instance, where's my little, there it is. I'm using this archival ink. And if you stamp once and then stamp again and again, it looks like it's in the background. Now that was cute. And we'll do that one. Put this one back. And I'm going to try this one. That one. Let's see. And this one. These are cute. No dogs are being harmed. Promise, promise, promise. I think I want to... That one came out pretty. Like this one, I want to have a flower. That one's pretty. And I think this one, I might have another type of flower. This one's a sunflower. Pretty. Ah! Saved. Saved. And here's another little flower. And one more. I think I'm going to do one more leaf with this one. You guys know I love using stamps in my artwork. It just easy peasy. I need to go. Okay, now I think they need a they need sentiments. So we're going to go to the, you don't have to have a sentiment, but I kind of want them each to have one maybe. Or maybe they don't need one, I don't know. Let's see. Let's put them in. You might watch them have to be trimmed down. Of course they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my trimmer. I'm going to get the baby trimmer. And just trim down a tiny sliver on the side. Hopefully, y'all. It happens. It might not happen. It might be okay with the rest of them. We might have to see. This one be fine in there. Let's try this one in here. That one goes in. Kind of. And let's see about this one. Whoop, those are the little ones. Nope. Okay, we're gonna do this one again. Let's see. Oh, this is the thick one. The thick one. And that goes in there. And this one. This could use a trim too. Sorry, y'all. But when in doubt, just trim it up a little bit. It's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. All right, little thing. One here. And maybe this one will fit, maybe not. Nope, there it goes. Okay, and then these guys will go down there. Okay. Oh, Leo. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to do is I found these little things, and I'm going to put a pocket on here. Like that. And maybe one on the top here. And then maybe one here in the middle. And what these need now, I think, to me, is a little bit of decorating. Let me get some labels. Just really quick, just sort of put some of these things on here. Just be nice. And I can put a label in there. And a label in here. And one right here. So let me see. There's one. Put that one there. This one. Just slap some labels on here, which are a lot of fun. This is a nice fun one. No, I don't want that one. I need to cut some more labels out. I think I said that already. Just have them. I guess I need to go down and take those animals out. So they are fine. It's funny, some days they're really quiet and some days they're really not. So maybe now a sentiment or two. Let's see about focus on the good. Just, or live in the moment. So, I mean, this is an easy way to fill up a page, I think, and make the tags. Look how pretty that is, though. I mean, it's so shiny. I love it. And you can put, if you want to, you can put like a little thing there so that you can put a ribbon or something right there. But anyway, that was fun. And I hope you guys liked that. And until next time, I will see you later.